Hey there, Jennifer Foley, your local realtor, and I'm here with Laura of Laura Alexander Designs.
Yeah. I have always kind of been a creative person. I took up calligraphy and it's stuck and I've loved it. And so it's such a joy to be able to introduce people to modern calligraphy.
Today we just had a really great workshop where I was teaching a little bit of the basics of modern calligraphy, and so that's kind of a little bit different than your traditional calligraphy that you're used to seeing with pointed pens. Now there's these really neat brush pens that make calligraphy just a little bit more accessible, and so we had lots of fun today just talking about the basic strokes of that. And so what I do is these workshops. I also do some prints and custom-made art pieces, and so this workshop stuff is my love. I think this is what I love to do, is teach people that have no exposure to calligraphy just how simple and accessible it can be.
Awesome,
Yeah.
awesome. All right, Laura, thanks so much.
No, thank you, Jennifer.
It's been a great workshop today, and if anybody wants to get a hold of you, find out more about what you're doing.
You can find me on Instagram, so it's at Laura Alexander Designs, all one word. And I'm on Facebook as well, the same thing, at Laura Alexander Designs. And that's the best way. You can email me as well. You'll find all of my information on Instagram too.
Okay, excellent.
Thanks, guys.
Remember, like, but even to the length of them, like, I feel I have more control.
Yeah.